So we're running our camp in our online platform, which you can find on camp.centrepreville.org. And then it will ask you for the password. So we'll send you the password by mail every week that you're signed up. The password changes, so I'll enter the password there. And here we go. It's asking me to join the meeting, and I can see myself here on video, so I will join the meeting. And here we are. I'm now in Préville's online summer camp platform, and of course we're after camp, so we don't see anyone here. But this is the lobby. So normally you will see people like Inez and Veronica who will be here to say hello in the mornings. And we can press on this button here in the top left corner. There's a button with 3 lines on it. And here I can see all of the classes, and there are 17 different classrooms this summer. So all kinds of awesome different classes. Little Artists 1, we have voice classes, piano, art, dance, robot in a can. So I'm gonna go to the robot in a can classroom, so I'll click on that and it will ask me for the password. And now we're logged in to the robot in a can class, and I will join the meeting. And here we are, but of course it's still after class, so nobody's here. But you can navigate the school pretty easily and see all of these different cool classrooms, including the library, where we have some cool content for you guys. So you open it up and you can chat with other people who are in the library too. And you'll see that we've got a bunch of books and YouTube videos that you can browse. And there's also the chess club / game rooms. So during the break hours, during lunch and stuff, you can go in and play different games with your friends. So we really have a very social online platform, and it's really cool. Come on in and you'll see who's waiting for you there.